From blank canvas to masterpiece, the journey of a successful artist. In the bustling city of dreams, where creativity knows no bounds, lived an aspiring artist named Mia. She had a burning passion for painting that ignited her spirit every single day. Mia faced her fair share of challenges along the way. Doubts would creep in, but she knew deep down that her art had the power to inspire and connect with people on a profound level. With each stroke of her brush, Mia poured her heart and soul onto the canvas. She took every failure as a lesson and used it to fuel her determination. Rejections didn't deter her. Instead, they became stepping stones toward her success. Mia believed that every no brought her closer to the ultimate yes. Undeterred by setbacks, Mia decided to take matters into her own hands. She transformed a corner of her apartment into a cozy studio, where she could create without limitations. Mia's journey was one of constant growth. She embraced change and fearlessly experimented with new styles and mediums. Her evolution as an artist was a testament to her commitment to continuous improvement. With the advent of social media, Mia's art found its way to people all around the world. Her online presence grew, and her artwork began to resonate with an ever-expanding audience. Mia's authenticity and dedication to her craft shone through in her interactions. She didn't just create art, she created connections and inspired budding artists to chase their own dreams. And then came the moment Mia had been working tirelessly for, her first solo art exhibition. The gallery walls adorned with her masterpieces, each canvas telling a unique story. As guests admired her work, Mia realized that her journey wasn't just about personal success. It was about touching lives, sparking emotions, and leaving a lasting impact. From that blank canvas to a gallery full of dreams realized, Mia's story reminds us that success isn't just about talent. It's about perseverance, growth, and the unwavering belief in the power of your passion. So, whether you're an artist, a dreamer, or someone in pursuit of your passion, remember Mia's journey and let it fuel your own.